up, y'all? It's KahlasiaMonae. I create faith-filled videos for women like you who want to break free from what's holding you back so that you can step into all that God is calling you to be. If you feel like this is a space for you, stay right here, stay right here, stay right here. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to push that post notification bell so you can know each and every time that I post a video. Let's just jump straight into it. Sis, we sisters, right? I'm comfortable. I hope you're comfortable. I got my robe on. I'm just chilling. I'm relaxing. I'm taking one thing at a time. My kids' dinner, the dinner is cooking. We here, right? We here. We listen and we don't judge, right? It's just one of those days, and that leads me into what I want to speak about today. Pouring from an empty cup. Have you ever felt like you were just pouring and pouring and pouring, but your cup was empty? Sometimes we don't even realize that our cups are empty. As moms, as wives, as women, we'll just do. We'll be here, there, everywhere, all at the same time. We want to be doctor, lawyer, teacher, wife. We can be so many things at one time, and that's good and that's great, but we have to know when our cup needs to be refilled. We have to know when we need God to restore, replenish. We need to know where, okay, mommy needs her time. Mommy needs to be restored. Mommy needs her time. My wife needs her time. My sister needs her time. My daughter needs her time. We all need that time where we have to fill our cups back up. And that's okay. Don't feel guilty. Don't feel bad about it. Don't feel bad about it. Yes, they need us. Yes, they need us. We need us. We need us. We need us. We'll be no good to anyone else if we aren't good to ourselves. So it's okay to say, okay, now is the time that I have to pour into myself. Now is the time that I have to fill my spirit back up so that when I'm pouring out with value. I'm pouring out with substance. I'm pouring out. I'm not just pouring out, but I'm pouring out with substance. I'm pouring out with all the good things, right? You want to make sure that you're pouring from a good place, not a place where you're just so burnt out. You have nothing left to give. Now your actions is showing, everything that you're doing is just showing that you're just a burnt out person. You're just a burnt out mom, just a burnt out wife. Everything about you is just burnt out. Somebody could see it and view it and smell it from a mile away. But we have to be conscious enough to say, okay, I've been here before. I've seen this before. I know what to do. I know what I need to do. I need to be poured back into. Don't feel guilty about that. Never feel ashamed about that. Never feel ashamed about that. Depending on the season that we are in, sometimes some seasons require more of us, right? Some seasons require us to do more. Some seasons require a bigger, greater responsibility, right? How we were in one season is not how we are in another season. The things that we was doing in one season is not what we need to do in another season. So seasons change, things change, responsibilities change, and that's okay. And sometimes we aren't always creating the schedules, right? We aren't always being so organized. Some of us aren't that organized, and that's okay. But when you trying to pour from an empty cup, are you really pouring with value? Are you really pouring with substance? Ask yourself, am I pouring with substance? If I'm giving from a good place, am I giving as my best self? Am I showing up as my best self? And if the answer is no, then that just means we got to go back to the drawing board. Now that means we have to fill ourselves up. What do we do to fill ourselves up? What can we do to fill ourselves up? A part of us filling ourselves up is going back to the Word of God, reading the Word of God, spending your time with God, meditating with God, seeing what God will have you to do in this season, doing all the things that you love, that you're just pampering yourself. If that's taking care of yourself, whatever it is that you like to do that requires just you and that thing, whatever that is, you do that. You take that time. And with Mother's Day coming, you want to be able to say, okay, it's Mother's Day. I feel good about this Mother's Day. And not only do I feel good about this Mother's Day, but I know I've been showing up as my best self. I know I've been giving it all I got, but I've been giving it all I got from a good place. My mind is right. My spirit is right. My emotions are right. And even if you're not a mom yet, right? Even if you're not a mom yet, you have a mom, and Mother's Day is coming, right? And so even if you say, okay, I don't have children yet, so she not talking to me. No, you can still pour to others from an empty cup. You can still try to give and do and be for others from an empty cup. So we all need to be refilled. We all need to be replenished. We all got to go back to the drawing board sometimes so that we can have God fill our cup again. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. We want God to fill us up till we overflow, so that when we overflow, blessings are overflowing. Peace is overflowing. Love is overflowing. Joy is overflowing. When your cup is empty, right? When your cup is empty and it's like you're pulling for something so dry. You're pulling from something that's not there. You're pulling for something that does not exist. But when your cup is overflowing, there's life in your cup. Oh my gosh. When your cup is overflowing, there's so much love that you have to give. There's so much peace that you can give. There's so much joy that you can give because your cup is overflowing. You want your cup to overflow. You want your cup to overflow, because when you're good, when you're giving from that good place, when you're doing from that good place, when your mind is right, when your body is right, when your spirit is right, everything around you got to go right. Everything around you feel the effects of that. Everything around you, anybody that's connected to you, they're going to say, oh, her cup is running over. 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 And they can see that. They can sense that. When you just feel like you ever seen somebody and they look refreshed, they look renewed, they look like they just jumped out of a bath water. They just look so fresh, right? That's how we want to be in this life. That's how we want to be in this life. That's how we want to maneuver. And yes, you'll have your days where you feel like some days is slow. And look at me. Look at me today. Today I'm in my robe. I'm taking it slow today. I'm taking it slow today. One thing at a time today. We'll have our moments, we'll have our times where we feel like, oh, today was a long day, or, I worked so hard at my job today, or, I had to deal with some stresses on the job today, or, some things aren't going right in my marriage today, right? We'll have our moments and our times where we feel like, you know what, today is just a day, and today just going to be that day, right? And that's fine. That's okay. But knowing when your cup is empty, knowing when, okay, it's time for me to go to that spa. It's time for me to take that day trip. It's time for me to take that girls trip. It's time for me to go out to lunch just by myself. It's time for me to do something special for myself. Don't feel bad about doing something nice for yourself. Do something for yourself. Do something for yourself. Buy yourself some flowers. Buy yourself something nice. Buy yourself a little sweet treat. Whatever it is that you like, do something nice for yourself. Do something nice for yourself, and don't feel guilty about it. As women, sometimes we feel so guilty about doing good things for ourselves. We deserve good things. We deserve to be in the good places and good spaces. We deserve to be well in our minds and our bodies, right? We deserve to be all that God is calling us to be, so that we can be who we need to be in our relationships, right? To our children, to our husbands, to the people that's around us, on our job, on our workplace, right? Everywhere we go, we want people to see God's light through us. Oh my gosh. We want people to see God's light shining through us. We want people to see the goodness of the Lord. You'll deal with your challenges. You'll have your hard days. You'll have your challenging days. But you got to know. You got to be real with yourself and say, okay, I felt something like this before. And that just means that I need a refill. And God, I need you to give me a refill. God, I need you to give me a refill. God, I need you to fill my cup. God, I need you to fill my cup again. God, I need you to do a new thing in me. Oh my gosh. God, I need you to do a fresh thing in me. God, I need you to do a new thing in me for the season that I'm in right now. God, do a new thing in me. Oh my gosh. Do a new thing in me, God. So that when I'm showing up for my family, when I'm showing up for myself, they're getting the best me. Oh my gosh. They're getting the best me. They're getting the best me. They're getting the best version of me. There's nothing wrong with saying that. There's nothing wrong with wanting that. Don't feel guilty about it. 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 So I pray I pray that this video helps you, it encourages you, it inspires you. Oh my gosh. Share this with someone that you love. Keep subscribing, keep liking. I love y'all. Let me know down in the comment section below, what are your plans for Mother's Day? If you aren't a mother yet, what are your plans with your mom? And what are your plans? Let me know what you guys are doing. How do you plan to pour into yourself this coming Mother's Day? I love y'all. I love y'all. I love y'all. See y'all on the next video.